Hello guys. Welcome to my channel. This video is about top 10 RPG Android and iOS games. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Number 10, Crossing Void Global. Get ready to fight with your favorite characters from the Dengeki Bunko masterpieces in Dengeki Bunko Crossing Void, an anime crossover turn-based RPG game. Build your dream team, unlock, collect and upgrade your characters. Prepare for strategic turn-based PvP combats. Explore the unprecedented cross-skills between two characters. Guess what kind of cross-skill will Yuki and Asuna use as a team in the battlefield? Fascinating anime crossover. Iconic figures from 25 original Dengeki Bunko masterpieces collide and clash in this mysterious dimension. Everyone is here: Kirito, Kuroyuki Hime, Asuna, Shizuo, Izaya, Shana, Mikoto. Who will you choose to be on your team? Number 9, Forsaken Worlds Gods and Demons. Forsaken Worlds Gods and Demons is a fantasy RPG of grand proportions. Dive into a world of never-ending adventure where treasure and glory await the willing. Raid a dragon's lair, search for lost artifacts, or just enjoy some fishing in the shade. Your actions will influence the world around you through epic story events that will shape the future of Kalinga. Leave your mark and become a legend. Dynamic gameplay. A new adventure begins every time you log in. Start your day with a stroll through the market for some potions. Meet up with some friends for an old-fashioned dungeon crawl, or work on some trade skills at your leisure. A simple outing for herbs may trigger a special event that leads to an epic dragon-slaying adventure. No matter what type of player you are, you'll find your calling in Forsaken World. Number 8, Shadowblade. Enjoy this aesthetic, limitless action RPG. Everything you have been waiting for. Enjoy a limitless action RPG with ample speed, cool skills, and sophisticated, beautifully rendered graphics. Experience overwhelming power by combining various skills in your own style. Become the ultimate warrior by collecting more than 3,000 types of armor and soul stones to defeat legendary monsters. Save the land of Na from Arkan, the corrupted resident dragon. Become the Shadowblade, the legendary hero, and bring peace back to the land. Be the winner in 1vs1 real-time bloody battles. Conquer the raid bosses with strategic team play. Enjoy a variety of rewards by attacking enemies with your elite parties. Number 7, Anima ARPG. Action RPG with classic style and dark medieval environment. The RPG you've always been waiting for has finally arrived on Android devices. Anima is an action RPG, hack-slash-video game inspired by the greatest old-school games and made with passion by RPG lovers for RPG lovers. And released in 2019. High-quality mobile graphic, suggestive dark fantasy environment, fast-paced action, 40+ different playable levels, 10 games difficulty to test your power, 10+ secret unique levels, exciting boss fights, stunning soundtrack. The game can be played totally for free, with the exception of some in-app purchase for the ones who want to unlock extra features. AMD that want to support the development of this new action RPG for Android. Number 6, Vampires Fall Origins RPG. Vampires Fall is a turn-based medieval fantasy RPG that drops you into an open-world adventure RPG game and lets you create a name for yourself. Will you be worshipped or feared in this explorer game? Strictly F2P. Unlike other RPGs, there are absolutely no paywalls or pay to win. 90% of our players enjoy RPG completely for free. Prepare yourself for the best role-playing adventure like you've never experienced before. Venture into enchanted forests, abandoned villages, spooky mines and prepare for battle. The thrill is guaranteed. Enjoy the simplicity of this classic RPG game, best of its kind. Vampires Fall is developed by old-school RPG gamers, so we know how to get your blood pumping. If you are new here, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you'll never miss my videos, and also, it motivates me to make more videos like this. Number 5, Shadow of Death Darkness RPG. Shadow of Death, the knight game in the Shadow Fight style. Unite against the Shadow of War and save the Lost Kingdom. Fight the Shadow now. Play a gripping pocket-sized fantasy action RPG on the go, pushing the boundaries of mobile gaming. Shadow of Death is an offline knight game, which doesn't need the internet to be experienced. Fight the way you want as players can select among 4 unique Shadow Knights. Multiple gameplay styles. and loads of rare armor sets to conquer a hostile dark world. Choose your Stickman Shadow Fighter and delve into a robust skill tree and deep inventory system that encourages endless combat experimentation and customization. We even have a young boy's soul in a hulking suit of armor. What other offline night games can top that? Number 4 Dawnbringer. Experience an epic RPG adventure in the palm of your hand. Enter the demon-infested realm of Mongard. Explore the ruins of a deserted world. Venture into the darkest dungeons and vanquish an unrelenting demon horde in this grand fantasy adventure. A forsaken land, a banished hero, two brothers in strife. As you blaze towards the world of Mongard, your angelic wings burn to ash. You and your brother are oblivious to the cataclysmic events you are about to spark. But your arrival could also be the key to salvation. Can Mongard be saved? Uncover the truth behind the corruption destroying the once peaceful land. Challenge your reckless brother, and purge Mongard of its demon occupation. The fate of the world is in your hands. Discover an immersive open-world fantasy adventure. Experience thrilling hack-and-slash-swipe combat. Dive into an engrossing RPG campaign that will take hours to unravel. Craft and enchant powerful gear to aid you on your quest. Grow in strength as you forge the fate of Mongard. Presented by Kilu and Copenhagen Creators. Number 3 Mighty Quest. Enter the magic lands of Opulencia, defeat the craziest foes. Find epic loot and claim the king's throne. Fight epic battles and become the mightiest hero of all in this intense action RPG adventure. Become the hero of your dreams. Open character building allows for unique builds and deep playstyles. With over 1000 unique items of gear, it's time to get creative. Learn the tricks and traps of each castle, and crush its mighty boss to discover the truth about Opulencia. Tackle 3 different difficulty modes. All you can eat. Enter the arena. Play intense PvP matches. And climb the rankings. It's 1 against 1 against 1 against 1. Well, it's you against everyone. There's always some crazy time-limited ruthless events going down in the game. Unique gameplay modes. Incredible loot. Exclusive rewards, you'll never get tired. Number 2 World of Kings. Embark on an epic adventure. World of Kings is a 3D MMORPG masterpiece with fantastic graphics and classic gameplay. Dungeons. More than 5 epic dungeons have been added into the new version. Simplified dungeon modes with more great dropped items and gears. Tank, healer, DPS, carry out your duties and make a great team. Get epic loots. The harder the dungeons are, the better rewards you will get. Plenty of adjustments have been made for each class in the new version to make PvP battles more balanced. Call up your teammates to build a squad. Now you are able to team up with friends to match in the arena and battlefield. Start a duel anytime, anywhere, practice your combat skills. Number 1 Evil Lands. Epic multiplayer RPG set in a medieval world of fantasy battles and magic. Do you have what it takes to win the battle with evil? Become a real hero and fight monsters. Dragons and bosses hiding in evil lands. The most captivating, epic fantasy RPG game for mobile has arrived. Choose your character, complete quests and join other players on your path to destroy grim creatures of darkness. Explore magical environments. Raid dungeon-like forests. Grab your loot. Master your skills and become the bravest warrior of all. You can challenge yourself in one of 2 multiplayer modes, CO-op or PvP. Play with your friends and people from all over the world. Online real-time multiplayer RPG. Stunning 3D graphics. Character classes. Upgrades. Skills. Loot and items. Variety of maps and captivating quests. Cooperative and PvP modes.